There are over 7 billion people on Earth. Each of us is perfect and whole, like a light that never dims. All humans have been given an amazing gift, the ability to experience life through our power of thought. We are always thinking, from the moment we're born until the moment we die. And we feel our thinking in the form of emotions that come to life within us. All people get caught up in their thoughts at times. Sometimes we take our thoughts very seriously. We think they tell us something meaningful about who we are. Our thinking tells us that we're different from others. We feel isolated and fearful when we believe our insecure thoughts. Identifying with our thoughts is just an innocent case of mistaken identity. We aren't our experiences at all. We are the light that always shines beneath our experience. When our mind settles down, we see life more clearly. We realize we are far more similar to others than we are different. We feel close to the love, clarity, wisdom, and light that are our true identity.